Hello students, welcome again in your own class. As you know that this is your English literature class, and today I am going to start a new chapter number 10, that is The Clever Frog. Okay, firstly we will read it. Now let's read it. It was a hot day. The sun was shining brightly in the sky. A little frog was jumping here and there. He was feeling very hot and tired. Suddenly, he saw a pond filled with water. He quickly jumped into it. The frog swam in the cool water for a long time. He felt better. He came out of the pond. He started looking for a cool place to rest. He saw a big rock. He jumped onto it. Then he looked around. He spotted a bush on top of a hill. He thought, that seems to be a good place to rest. He started hopping towards it. There was a tiger sitting under a tree. He was looking for food. He saw the frog and thought, I am hungry and cannot find any big animal. Let me eat this frog at once. He pounced on the frog and caught him. The frog was very afraid, but he was clever. He said, Wait, Mr. Tiger, I know you want to eat me, but I am so dirty. Let me wash myself first. Then you can eat me. I will be clean and tasty to eat. The tiger thought for some time. Then he said, I think you are right. I should not eat a dirty frog. I can be sick. Go and wash yourself quickly. I am waiting here for you, but come back soon. Saying this, the tiger let the frog go. Hop, hop, hop. The frog hopped to the pond and jumped into it. Then he waved to the tiger. The tiger smiled at him. The frog turned around. He swam away as fast as he could. Soon the tiger could not see him anywhere. The tiger went near the pond. He waited and waited for the frog to come out. He waited for a very long time. Then he lay down by the side of the pond. Soon he was fast asleep. So students, now we have did reading of this chapter, and in our next video I will explain this chapter one by one paragraph. Okay, thank you.